Have you ever heard someone say, I'm a UX designer, or we need to fix the UI, and you weren't exactly sure what they meant? You're not alone. UI and UX are two of the most commonly used and confused terms in tech and design. They're often thrown around together, but they actually refer to very different things. In this video, you'll learn the real difference between UI and UX and why both are critical to any digital product. Let's start with what each one stands for. UI stands for User Interface. It's everything the user interacts with visually. Buttons, colors, typography, icons, sliders, layout. In short, UI is the look of the product. UX stands for User Experience. It's how the user feels when interacting with the product. Is it smooth? Is it frustrating? Does it solve their problem easily? So, UI is what you see and touch. UX is how it works and feels. UX starts long before any screen is designed and continues long after the user leaves the app. Let's break it down even more. A UI designer is focused on visuals, making the interface attractive, accessible, and on brand. They choose colors, fonts, spacing, icon styles, and layouts. They work on screens, menus, buttons, and all the visual components. A UX designer is focused on the overall experience, how users move through the product, what problems they face, and how easily they can achieve their goals. So, UI is more about aesthetic and interaction. UX is more about logic, flow, and usability. You can have a beautiful UI, but a terrible UX, like a stunning website that's slow, confusing, or hard to navigate. Think of a car. The UI is the dashboard, steering wheel, buttons, and materials, what you see and touch. The UX is the driving experience, how smooth the ride is, how intuitive the controls are, and how safe you feel. Or imagine a restaurant. UI is the menu design, the table layout, the lighting. UX is the service, the flow of the meal, how quickly the food comes out, and how easy it is to pay. Both need to work together. A great UI can create a strong first impression, but great UX builds loyalty and satisfaction. In tech teams, UI and UX designers often work closely, but they use different tools and focus on different deliverables. UX designers may create wireframes, user flows, personas, journey maps, prototypes for testing, and iterate based on feedback. Their tools include Figma, Adobe XD, and tools like Miro for research. UI designers may focus on high-fidelity mockups, color systems, typography styles, component libraries. They also use Figma or Sketch, but might lean more into design systems and collaboration with developers. Some people do both and are called UI/UX designers, but in larger teams, the roles are more specialized. Understanding the difference between UI and UX isn't just for designers. If you're a developer, knowing these concepts helps you build better interfaces. If you're a product manager, it helps you collaborate with design teams more effectively. And if you're just getting into tech, it helps you understand where your skills might fit in. In today's world, great digital products depend on both. Clean, accessible interfaces, thoughtful, smooth experiences. Ignoring either one can break the product. So here's the takeaway. UI is how a product looks and responds. UX is how a product works and feels. You can't have a great product without both. If this video helped you understand the difference, give it a like and share it with someone learning design or dev. And if you want more beginner-friendly tech breakdowns like this one, subscribe to the Dev Dictionary. We make complex concepts easy to understand one term at a time.